Welcome to You Can Do It. Today we're going to be taking off the rear bumper off a VW T5.1 Multivan, but they're all the same, the T5.1s. This has got a tailgate, and basically we've got a problem here. I just need to tidy that up for the MOT, or the equivalent MOT over here. So I'm going to just take this bumper off, and we're going to try and sort that out. I've got a new one coming, but it hasn't arrived yet, so I'm going to just take this off, try and glue that together on the back, and then put it back on. But anyway, this video will be useful for anyone who wants to take the bumper off of a VW T5.1. Okay, so first things first, we've got to take the light out to be able to take this panel out to then be able to get the bumper off. So basically, I'll show you how to take this lamp out and that out to start with, and then we need to do exactly the same on the other side, and then we can start taking the bumper off. Okay, so first things first, let's flip the tailgate. Right, now to take this lamp out, it's just basically Phillips head there, Phillips head there. So I'm going to take those two Phillips heads out, and then you can push this light that way, obviously same on the other side, but to the right, and then this lamp will come off, and then we can unplug it, and then we can move down. So let me do that now, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, the screws are out, so if I push it to the side, it comes out, and then we just need to disconnect. Yeah, okay, hang on, then we need to disconnect this from here. So basically you've got that little thing there, you need to pull it in. I actually use a screwdriver normally for that. So basically I just put a little screwdriver under there, look, and you pull that lever back, and then that'll come off like that. That's off, and then that allows you to take your light away and put it somewhere safe. Okay, so now that reveals this one here and this one here, which we need to unscrew. Now you can put an Allen key in there and turn it, but what I normally do is just get one of those little star things there on the end there, and you can put that in there, push it in, look, and it comes out. I'll show you on this one, but you basically turn it. If you turn it in and then pull at the same time, look, the whole thing comes out. Leave that there. So then this panel now is not connected at the top. Now the way it's connected at the bottom, let me take this out and then you'll see, but it's got like 4 tabs which go into the bottom of this bumper, and they clip in. So let me try. So the way to get that out is you're going to have to just, now you can't take it right off because you've got this thing here for the tailgate. All right, so what we have to do is we have to lift it up a bit, and then we can turn it and take it out. Okay, so first of all I'm just going to lift this up. Okay, they hang in there and they make a bit of a noise when you finally get it off, and then you can see, look, you can turn it like that, twist it, and it comes out. So just to show you for when you do it, look, there you are, there are your 4 tabs. You've got 4 tabs there, look, with those clips on the bottom, and the only way you can really get them out is to actually pull it until they pop off. I mean, if you put something in between here and there and try and do it, then you've got your risk of damaging your bumper or this top bit. So I've popped it, but look, you can see this is all a bit destroyed after somebody's, another one of these car park things that no one ever knows about. So anyway, I'm going to try and take this out and fix it up enough for the MOT. So that's it. So we're going to need to do this now on the other side, and then we'll work down from there. Okay, so that's off on that side, and that's off on that side here. So to take the bumper off now, you've got a bolt here and a bolt there. There are torque bits too there, so I'll take those off. Now this is normally clipped in, so this can be quite hard to get out as well, but let's undo these 2 here and we'll see. So we've got those 2 there we need to undo on both sides. Okay, I'm going to work on a theme of like sort of going down. So now look, I've got those 2 bolts off there, but you can see this is popped out now, so it's not a good indication of what happens on the other side. Okay, but going along here now, we'll then have to take off, pull this off here. If it will come off, I need 2 hands to pull that off. Okay, now I've got that trim off. Look, you can see you've got like a lip there, 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 and there. When you're trying to pull this off, you probably need to push, just get it over the top of that. Okay, now underneath we've done the 2 bolts on that side, 2 bolts on the other side, and then we've got some straps underneath there. And unfortunately, let me get down there and show you. Underneath now, look, there's normally a tab there, but that's obviously broken off. There's normally a tab there. There's one in the middle here, look, and unfortunately there, look, this is right, you can't really get access because this is a rear wheel, the spare wheel carrier, so that's probably going to have to come loosen that off and drop that to get to that one there. Look, and then there's another one there. So it looks like on these ones there's three. Okay, look, I dropped the rear wheel carrier, or the spare wheel carrier, down, then I can get access to that little tab. Okay, so now we've got all that off, what we can do is start lifting this up, look, and make sure it comes over these little clips. And then I've left the tow bar on, so I think I can get it off without taking that off. So I'm just going to work my way along here and get these little clips out. Okay, the bumper came off. So it came off. These tabs here that it's stuck into, you can push them down with a screwdriver and that pops off there. But just remember, on the side here there's more clips in here, but there's nothing you can do. Look, they clip into here, and you just, unfortunately, you just have to pull it away. There's no other way to do that. So I'm now going to try and sort out this this side here, fix this up, and then for those of you interested how I glued the bumper up, I've basically got one of these like Dremel blow torches. Look, you know, you just spark that up and then you get a hot knife basically. And first of all, I ran it down here, made sure the gap was closed, and then basically did it like this on this plastic to start with. And then once that's glued, look, you can see there, once that's glued, I then used some of this your standard sort of glue gun glue, and I melted that over the top of it, and that melted in with the current plastic here to give it a nice strong bond. Very pleased with that, really. Dead easy. And then I just did the same along there. There was a crack along there. I mean, I say this is only to get it through, make it a bit more respectable. I've got a new bumper on order. If you look at that now, look, you see that's all sealed up solid. It's brilliant. And there was one there, and that's I can't move at all, so that's good. So that'll do. That just smartens it up a bit, and when the new one comes, I'll fit that. Anyway, I hope that's helped someone if you're interested how to quickly sort of repair this plastic. I mean, if you obviously wanted to do a profit job now, you could sand that down and then prime it and fill it and blah blah blah, whatever you want to do. But this is just to get it. That is how to take off the rear bumper of a VW T5. So the only tricky bits was trying to get this off here. You have to pop this panel between the bumper, just to pull that up and pop that off, and then obviously undo all your catches underneath and get that off. But yeah, you can do it. You've done it. I hope this has helped. If you've got any questions or any comments, yeah, send me some feedback. You can do it. See you soon.